everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, congratulations messages are pouring in for the Nzimande family after Dr Ziphozenkosi officially shared the news of her pregnancy on social media. In a post she said, "Trust in the Lord with all your heart, do not depend on your own understanding. Seek his will in all you do and he will show you which path to take." Wesethi-ke ethi DumiMkokstad ngiyabonga. So ke guys, kudala ke oshwashwi besho ukuthi engazi ukuthi unani uzoba nobhuti o nosisomncane and ke guys abantu bakanzimande bengasho lutho ke bezithulele nje, but ke today they have finally confirmed the good news and want to say congratulations to the Nzimandez. In one of Dr Nzimandez interviews guys with Ukhozi FM, she once mentioned ukuthi waba nama challenges kangakanani just to conceive ubaby number 1 wakhe. She also shared ukuthi ke wadinga ukuthi aye for operation because wayinama fibroids. So ke guys, but we thank God ukuthi ke konke kudlulile lokho. Now we have baby number 2 on the way. Mrs. Nzimande guys is a pastor's kid, and in everything that she says or do and the relationship that she have with abantu, you can just tell ukuthi lo sis ukhuliswe kahle ngenhlonipho. Once again guys, congratulations to them. We hope ukuthi ke unani won't feel intimidated mase kufika usisomncane noma ubhuti omncane wakhe ayitshela ukuthi uzothatha space sakhe. That brings us to the end of this video. Do leave your comment below and let's celebrate with Nzimandez. Bye.